Hello, I'm Tim McCarthy, founder of Zycoat. Zycoat is a coatings company first developed over 6 years ago when we found this technology in the aerospace industry. It was used to coat exhaust components, exhaust shrouds, industrial components that were elevated to significant temperatures. We spent over 5 years reformulating this technology into a one-component coating that can be applied with just a very simple aerosol or primer spray gun. Zybar is the first high-temperature, high-performance coating available for the do-it-yourself market. Zybar is one component. Stir, shake, put in the spray gun, and you are ready to go. Zybar is a heat dissipation coating that improves scavenging. That means you get more horsepower, more torque, corrosion resistance, durability, and color stability, all from one product that you apply yourself at less than half the cost of ceramic coatings. You apply it yourself, oven cure or heat cure, 450F for 2 hours. Or it's an air cure product. Same performance, hang it in your garage for 5 days and it's fully cured. Easy to apply. The trick for the inside of the tubes is applied using this old conventional tool grabber. Take a cotton ball, grab that ball, dip in the coating, and then pass that through the tube in both directions. You'll get outstanding coverage of this 1 mil thick coating with a very simple old school technology. Zybar, high performance coatings for the do-it-yourself enthusiast. For more information, please visit laneautomotive.com.